Isa pang highlight ng Thailand trip ko ay nung makita at makausap ko ulit si Miss Yuko Yamashita. She is one of the celebrated hair experts of Sunsilk. Nakakatuwa talagang makita siya ulit because she's very sweet and nice to me. At pagkatapos ng TVC shoot, we had some time to unwind and to experience some of Thailand's offerings, from food to massage and of course, shopping. I really enjoyed this Thailand trip and I hope that I'll be back soon.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Alam mo, after ng shoot namin, second day kasi talagang long day ng shoot namin. Mabit kami ng madaling araw. Nagbigay sila ng flowers, tapos nagpicture pa kami.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Cheese!
Cheese!
Thank you for working with us and making the work very easy and memorable. ขอบคุณครับ
One more? One more.
Sarah, it's a pleasure to working with her, and you are very professional. Next time, if we had a chance to work together, I'd like to work with you again. Thank you.
Talagang na-appreciate ko kasi first time na ganun yung pagtanggap ng mga katrabaho mo sa ibang bansa, diba? So, thank you!
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hey guys! Finally, we're done with the shoot after a long, long day. Tapos na kami. So, thank you sa buong staff and crew, from the director dito sa Sunsilk Thailand. Maraming salamat. And of course, to my Sunsilk family. Thank you.
本当言うとね、サラと一緒と思わなかったからびっくりしてサプライズで「サラ!」って言って思わず抱きついちゃったんですけども。
Yuko Yamashita, hair expert na very down to earth, at every time she sees me, talagang natutuwa ako dahil tuwan-tuwa din siya. So, hi Yuko!
She's actually the expert for this range. Yeah, she kind of invents how the benefit of the product and the ingredient, this precious ingredient to be added into this product. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
サラはますますと美しくなって素敵な女性になって、とてもエレガントな愛らしく、本当に裏方の方にも皆さんにも心優しくて、またまた私大ファンになってます。これからもよろしくね。コップンか。
After ng 2 days sa shoot namin, magkaroon kami ng isang araw na free day. Nagbayengke sila mama, bumili ng mga prutas, sarap-sarap ng mga prutas, lansones, tamis-tamis, mga longgan, ganyan. Talagang naglalakihan ng mga fruits at nagtatamisan. Favorite Thai food, yung kanilang mga fried na fish, na yung malutong, tapos may mga maanghang na na sauce. Ano pa ba? May para din silang chicharon doon na ang sausawan yung maraming sili ng mga green, maliliit. Mahilig ako sa maanghang. Pero yung bearable lang, hindi naman yung sobrang anghang.
We got like world-renowned food, as you know, Thai food, okay, and the shopping and everything else.
Yes, nung gabi, nagpamasahe kaming grupo. Yun, sarap ng masahe. Very relaxing. At saka, syempre, happy ka rin na na-experience mo yun, na nasa Thailand ka mismo, yung Thai massage. So, yun. Safe naman pong mamasyal. At saka, grupo naman po kami nun eh. Siyempre, kung ano lang yung kailangan, yun yung bibilin ko. Like, sapatos, di ba? Ganyan, damit. Tapos kami, mas na-enjoy lang namin yung bonding pag kumakain kami. Di ba? Thai food. Favorite ko yan eh. Ako, mas na-enjoy ko yung pagkain more than yung shopping. Sobrang kami nag-enjoy. Nagkainan lang kami sa hotel room. Yung kami kumain. Ay, sobrang saya. Oh, syempre.